So for example, if you plan to go for 30 items are sufficient in my test, have more 6 or 7 or 8 items. Okay? More items. Reason being that at some point of time, if you feel some of the items are misbehaving, then you can eliminate them. At the end, you are having sufficient number of items in a test. Okay? Experimental tryout. Number 2 determines vagueness and weakness. This will help you after the preliminary administration. So difficulty level of each item, you will love to calculate within a fraction of minute. मैं देखिए theoretical perspective को बहुत ज़्यादा significance नहीं दे रहा हूँ. You need to learn how to calculate various statistics using the application. ये काम तो सभी कर सकते हैं, ये slides सभी पढ़ सकते हैं, लेकिन I am trying just to sensitize. When you will be working on the hands-on practice using the data set, then you will love how I manage this statistics within few minutes. Difficulty level of each item. You need to ensure the low, moderate, and high difficulty. The optimum time limit to perform the test. Determines appropriate length of the test. For example, if you are having 50 or 100 items in a test, you won't be able to make a much difference in the domain under study. जो काम आप 30 आइटम से या 20 आइटम से कर सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है कि 60 या 80 से आप वही कर पाएंगे. You are going to lose the motivation, the interest of the target population. Length of the test. Identifying weaknesses in the direction. Direction means, friends, many times you need to include the negative scoring items also. When you are trying to measure the social desirability, or you can say some of the variables which are touchy in nature, then everybody used to present himself or herself as the good behavior. So you need to encounter this social desirability using the negative scoring items. Direction. Proper tryout, administration किस तरह से किया जाएगा. You need to ensure the repo. Effectiveness of distractors. There is large number of distractors. ऐसा ना हो कि the clue एक टेस्टी को मिले कि yes, this is the right answer. For example, the independence. The India got independence on 15th August, 15th September, 26th January. एक clue ना मिले. The distractors must be effective in making a difference about the performer. And final tryout, when you have confirmed these all points, then you will go for final administration of the test. Friends, this sample up to this part, you are going to have a different sample, and for the final tryout, you are going to have a different sample. Different sample means different sample size. Participants may be same or may not be same. This final tryout will be used to calculate the reliability, validity, and norms. The objectivity and practicability has already taken care of under these points. But the final data will be used to examine the reliability, validity, and norms. Reliability of the final test, we are having different types of reliability, internal and external. Internal. What is your internal reliability? Inner trustworthiness. I love myself. I know myself. I respect myself. It is coming from inside. Friends, I have organized number of programs for different life skills. If you happens to know about yourself, self-awareness, try to know about yourself. Who am I? When you know about yourself, trust me, many times you will know what idiotic activities I have been performing. It was the MA first semester, first class. After completion of my class and attendance, I was coming back to my chamber. Internal reliability, I was speaking about the internal reliability. Try to love yourself. Friends, when you try to know about yourself, trust me, जिंदगी एकदम बहुत डिफरेंट होगी. थोड़ा अपने लिए जिए, अपने को जानिए. So I was discussing about one of the girl. After completion of the class, I came to know one of the girl was following me. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. आइए. सर मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. तो ओके, कम टू माय चैम्बर. चैम्बर में बैठने के बाद, then I asked her to sit. Then there was a pause for 1 minute. She reacted कि सर मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. करिए. सर मुझे कोई पसंद नहीं करता है. Nobody likes me. I reacted, Uncle Knight, you are a nice girl. It was a first meeting, but I reacted, you are a nice girl. सर मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे पसंद नहीं करते हैं. As a teacher, I confirmed, Uncle, no, there is no problem. You seems a very nice girl. मेरे फ्रेंड्स नहीं हैं. I am sure you can have a very good friends in days to come. So just see the starting point, the trust, the bond we developed in the first meeting. Up to the third semester, we were having number of meetings, 3, 4, or 5 meetings. In the third semester, she came to me, sir, can you recall the first meeting? I came to you on this issue. But now, my parents like me. I have friends. So what was the turning point? I realized a teacher who never saw me, he's showing the trust upon me, कि नहीं, you are a nice girl. Then it was the reason to introspect myself. What is wrong with me? कुछ तो है. मेरे अपने मुझे पसंद नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक टीचर की ओपिनियन ये है. Then she started working on this part of the behavior. And up to the third semester, she confirmed that, sir, there was some issues and problems. And I worked on it. And now I have friends. मेरे parents भी मुझे पसंद करते हैं. Thank you very much, sir. So internal reliability of the test. जो items हैं उसके, there must be a trustworthiness. A item measure what it's supposed to measure. कंसिस्टेंसी, ये ना हो एक आइटम किसी डोमेन को मेजर करा है, दूसरा कहीं और जंप लगा दिया. एक्सटर्नल रिलायबिलिटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू selected a person on a base of test motivation, yes, he is motivated, but in real time settings you received a feedback, no, he is not motivated. Errors in reliability. When you are friends going for the final tryout, then these are the reasons giving the problems in the data set. Unnecessary disturbances, the health of the testee, the health of the test administrator, and the time given to perform the test. Errors. There are always two types of errors: systematic errors and random errors. आप देखेंगे friends, इन एरर से आपकी रिलायबिलिटी पे कितना इम्पैक्ट पड़ सकता है. Random means your sample is selected on the basis of randomness. You have ruled out all the biasness, systematic errors, scoring criteria, data entry, and screening the data set, removing the outliers, types of errors, and different methods of the reliability. Test, retest, alternate, split half, and Cronbach. We will discuss one by one. Validity of the test, types of external validity and internal validity that we will discuss. Again, as we have seen in case of reliability, so as the validity, internal validity. I respect myself. Whatever I am acting, whatever I am behaving, whatever I am speaking, I am trying to be 100%. Friends, you are the right person or judge about my performance. But if you go to the slides, starting from the first to the last, I try to ensure the template. I try to ensure the font size. I try to ensure the font, bullets, everything has to be in order. It is my internal validity. I never allowed to go for shortcuts. I never allowed to go for social unconformity. Things has to be in order. I used to discuss number of case studies, and studies are personal in nature. Number of times in one of the case study you will see I used one of the statistical modeling, and on the basis of statistical modeling I decided I choose a boy for my daughter. इस शादी के लिए देखिए किस तरह से मॉडलिंग के बेस पर on the basis of prediction model I decided it's a real case study. I used to discuss my personal cases. Sometimes it has been debated, it may be emotional stability or instability with Dr. Khan, but it is me, internal validity. External validity, the people used to make an inference about person X. Yes, he is a natural or valid human being. So as the test type of the validity. Norms, friends, there are different type of norms, age norms, grade norms, percentile norms, and standard scores norms. Norms are the threshold. डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप के लिए भी होते हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया एक चाइल्ड का मोटिवेशन डिफरेंट होगा, एडल्ट का अलग होगा, मिडिल एज्ड ह्यूमन बीइंग का अलग होगा, ग्रेड 10th grade, 12th grades, and so on. Percentile norms are applicable in large number of selection criterion and standard scores. These norms are more applicable in tests that you will learn within few minutes. Preparation of manual, test manual. ये देखेंगे. This is a very important activity. And last step of the test construction is the preparation of the test manual. I will discuss some of the manuals with you. He reports the psychometric properties of the test and references and clear indication regarding the procedure of the test administration, scoring method, time limits, and so on. Instructions in details and examples and items are to be arranged in the random order, and the test constructor finally orders for the printing of the test manual. Okay. You will see, friends, this is the last slide. Perhaps in my case, let me share some of the. See, these are the tests I'm sharing with you, which I developed over the years. Academic Buoyancy Scale. It was developed with the Integral University and published by the Manas Psycho Homes. Manual for caregiver, कैंसर पेशेंट्स पर हमने ये डेवलप किया था, मेरे स्कॉलर हैं उनके साथ में. Consumer preference scales, she was one of the research scholars from economics and business management. We developed this test and published. Couples fidelity scale, recently it has been developed with the Amity University, Jamia Islamia and myself. अभी ये publish हुआ है. Gratitude, most popular is test, or you can say the manual on my ResearchGate score over the globe. बेनतहा डिमांड इसकी आ रही है. Gratitude. Gratitude, showing kindness with thanks. You need to be grateful. We need to be grateful to everybody. Whomsoever is playing role in one way or other way. अक्सर मैं सवाल फ्रेंड पूछता हूँ, is it difficult to be good? मुलाकात ऐसी हो कि हमेशा याद रहे कि yes, gratitude. We must show the gratitude. हाई परफॉर्मेंस वर्क सिस्टम ये इंजीनियर्स पे डेवलप किया गया था IIM अहमदाबाद के साथ में, प्रोफेसर DM पेस्टन जी. Identity fusion scale, it is in case of my research scholar. Recently it has been submitted for the publication and he submitted the draft copy of the manual, identity fusion. Innovation scale, again with the DM Paston ji, IIM Ahmedabad. Top design, perceived work environment, developed alone by myself. Prayer scale, IIT Mumbai के साथ डेवलप किया गया था. Psychological capital, my research scholars scale. Psychological resilience scale for youth. Quality of work life, my scholar. Social belief, my research scholar. 22nd June का ये draft आया, it is under publication. Social support scale. Spiritual coping. Spiritual distress. Spiritual practices for Muslims. Spiritual values. Stalking, you know the stalker. Stalking experience scale developed with my research scholar. Strategic talent management practices developed with IIM Ahmedabad. Teachers occupational stress. Teachers self-efficacy with my scale research scholar. So these are some of the tests, friends, that I share with you. बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं. It is you to decide. देखिए जहां जहां भी ये नॉलेज बेस रहेगा, हमेशा आपका एग्जिस्टेंस रहेगा. You will know to the users, yes, he made a difference in the knowledge base. इस तरह से रिसर्च करिए. And thank you so much. As I requested, we will conclude this session. Can we have a 5 minutes discussion so we can extend by 2:15 our lunch break? So I want to conclude it. Please share your experience and your expectations or any question related to this part of the discussion. 5 minute के अंदर हम बात करें. How many of you are willing to develop the test or interested to make a difference using this knowledge? Please बात करें. Otherwise मुझे तकलीफ होगी कि I am not at your expectations. रूपाली जी, please बोलिए.
Sir, it was a wonderful experience today learning your sessions. We have a blended knowledge of management and psychology. So it was a wonderful experience. And sir, in my study, I am taking the adaptive scale.
Fine.
So I need to look at for from that consideration point of view. So what should be my considerations? Because I am taking the adaptive scale.
Fine. Very rightly said. That part of the discussion, I hope Kaushal has discussed, but I will take care of it when you are going for the adaptation. I have done number of exercises. Recently, I did in case of one of my research scholar, you will surprise that initially it was having 44 items developed by author. I sought the permission to use in my case, and we went for the adaptation exercises, and there is large number of steps how to go for the adaptation exercise, and finally we went for the CFA, confirmatory factor analysis. That I will discuss with you, Rupali ji.
Okay, thank you, sir.
This is the part of my discussion.
Okay, sir.
जी और बताएं please. Any other questions, so we can conclude it. It is almost going to be 140. Any other question? We can sum up the question at the end of the sessions. I hope Neha ji, do we have break now? It is can you control it now? So it is what's the time? It is 1.140.
Yes, sir. It's 1:40.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
can have this 2:15. Fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, yes, sir.
Please have a lunch, and I will be back. Thank you so much. Take care.